Well, hello, calculus students and seekers of truth. In this video, we are going to take a look at one more example of finding a derivative of an exponential function. And we could certainly use the product rule to find the derivative, but I will show you another way just so that you can see the problem in a different. All right, so we're going to take the natural log of g of x on the left side, and on the right side, we're going to take the natural log of the entire expression, 3x times 4 to the x. And just as I did before, on the right side here, we're going to apply the properties of log, the product rule of logarithms. So we can separate all of these into the following: the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of x plus the natural log of 4 to the x. And then we can go one step further, so I have the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of x, and then we can apply the power rule of natural log, and we can pull this x out here to the front. Okay. And all of this is equal to the natural log of g of x. Now that we've got all that set up, we can start to take the derivative of both sides. So the derivative, let's start with the right-hand side here. Natural log of 3 is a constant, so that derivative is just 0. The derivative of natural log is 1 over x. And then this right here is also a constant times x. So the derivative of that is just the natural log of 4. And on the left side, we have 1 over g of x, times the derivative of the inside function, which is g prime. And then, of course, to finish the problem, we're going to solve and get g prime by itself. So I get 1 over x plus the natural log of 4 multiplied by g of x. But we already know what g of x is. G of x is this expression right here, so we can simply make the substitution. And what we have is that g prime is equal to 1 over x plus the natural log of 4 times 3x times 4 to the x. And then I'm going to take this one step further, and I'm just going to distribute the 3x here through. So 3x times 1 over x is just 3, plus 3x natural log of 4 times 4 to the x. And there's maybe different simplifications of this problem, but this is one correct answer. So there you have it. What I want to emphasize here is the first step of taking the natural log of both sides up here. And by doing that, we're able to separate these into a bunch of sums. Okay, so the derivative of a sum is typically easier than finding the derivative of a product. So that's really one nice feature of the natural log function, is that it allows us to actually simplify the problem before we even get to the calculus of it. All right, so as always, ask for help when you need clarifying questions. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.